Hi viewers. Welcome to our video tutorials on GS2Web SaaS Quiz platform, on which you can easily create quizzes from Google Sheets for any website. This platform auto-generates an embed code for the published quizzes. You can embed it on any website, whether Wix, Blogger, Squarespace or WordPress. Let us concentrate on the subject of this video. That is how to log in to your Google Sheet to publish a quiz. First, you need to install the GS2Web SaaS add-on on your Google Sheet. Once installed, just hover over the GS2Web SaaS. You will find the sub-menu title Login. Click Login. A pop-up widget for login will open. Use the credentials that you get on purchase of the GS2Web Quiz product to sign in. Now, you can go to the GS2Web SaaS menu and create a quiz. Watch our next video on the quiz template that opens once you log in. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you achieved some valuable information. Please subscribe to our channel for tutorials for GS2Web SaaS Quiz.